took me less than an hour to make over $240 using ChatGPT for free. You see, ChatGPT is this free online software that has 200 million monthly active users worldwide, but most beginners don't realize that they can use it to make money online. So in this step-by-step tutorial, I want to boil down what I believe could be the easiest ChatGPT side hustle. And don't worry, I don't have a course to sell you at the end, and everything I share today is completely free. Step number one, we first of all want to go to ChatGPT and create an absolutely free account, either by entering an email address or by signing up with Google, Microsoft, or Apple. When you create an account on ChatGPT.com, this is how everything is going to look like. Now, ChatGPT operates in a way where you have to give it specific instructions that are called prompts. Essentially, prompts are the way we communicate with ChatGPT, directing it to give us and perform specific tasks or just generate particular types of content. For example, I can give it a prompt, write a carrot recipe without sugar, and in seconds it's gonna start writing this entire recipe for me because I gave it a specific prompt/instruction. And the better, more detailed prompt that you enter, the better and more detailed results you get. And so some people are even selling these prompts/instructions that are very detailed for better results. They're selling them on these platforms like PromptBase. So I actually spent over $200 buying prompts from websites like these, and I want to give them away to you for free so that you don't have to spend money. Step number three, you're going to use this prompt that I'm going to share with you for free later on in this tutorial, and you can just copy and paste it and just either change the variables in the brackets or in the green, paste it into ChatGPT and just press enter. Now in seconds, you're going to get a full step-by-step guide on whatever it is that you are trying to create. In this case, I'm creating a full step-by-step guide on how to grow on YouTube fast, and you can see how detailed this is going to be. Next up, we're going to use this platform that I personally signed up to a few years ago, and so far I have over $894,000 in total sales with it. And the platform in question is Teachable at teachable.com. This is a platform where people are selling all sorts of digital products. You're just going to click on start for free, then you're just going to enter your full name, email address, and password and click create an account. For the next step, you want to go and find a software that you can promote as an affiliate. One of the networks where you can find software to promote is PartnerStack. You can just sign up to it for free by pressing on the Get Started button over here, and you can find a bunch of software at the marketplace. Like I found this tool which helps creators on YouTube get more views, and they do have an affiliate program right over here, so I would click and sign up. Now so far I already made over $500 with this program, but there's a lot of other ones that you can find on PartnerStack marketplace and just promote as an affiliate. If you don't want to promote any software companies, you could also just sign up to Audible affiliate program, which is even easier to monetize because they actually pay you $5 for every single free book that you give away. So Audible is Amazon company where people can find a bunch of books. So if I, for example, want to find a cooking book, I can just search for cooking, and there's going to be a ton of these books that I could promote. Someone can try this book for free and I will still get paid $5 as an affiliate. And if they actually end up buying some of these books, then I will also get $10 as well. And in this case, if I want to find something that's related to YouTube, then I can just search for YouTube and I can find a bunch of these like YouTube formula books and promote them to get paid $5. Besides that, you could also just build an actual store with products that you don't even have to own yourself. If you go over to kit.co, you can click on the plus icon over here and you can create your own kit from scratch. Next up, you want to go back to ChatGPT and you want to make some visual graphs to make your entire PDF guide that you are building a little bit more attractive and a little bit more detailed and well researched. So I'm asking it to make a visual graph of overall yearly earnings growth on YouTube since 2018 to today. And as you can see, in seconds, we got this entire visual graph that shows that from 2018, we have increased so much to today that people are making a lot more money, 4 times more money than back in 2018. So for the very next step, I'm just gonna go to docs.google. I'm gonna click on blank document, and right over there, I'm just gonna start copy pasting everything that ChatGPT has generated for me so far. So first of all, we have this full step-by-step guide, and look at how long that is. So I'm gonna copy that, I'm gonna paste it here, and I can of course change colors and fonts and all of those things. If you want to change the font, I can just select one here. I'm also either gonna download the graph like this, or I could also just take a screenshot. I'm gonna go back to Google Docs and just insert that image. I can keep adding these charts to make the entire PDF guide look a lot more attractive and a lot more detailed. Now I'm just gonna click here to title the document, and more importantly, I'm gonna click on File, Download, and download as a PDF document. Now we're gonna go and launch this PDF document as a digital product because this is a platform that I use to make over $800,000 for free. But just remember that this is the formula that we're going to be using to launch any kind of digital product, and this is what actually made me money. When you're selling something, you just want to think about how that's solving a problem for someone, and this is the formula. You help someone to achieve something by doing a specific thing. For example, I help faceless creators to make $10,000 a month by creating problem-solving communities, or I help people with a drinking problem to stop drinking by following the Safari formula. I help middle-aged men to find ideal wife in 4 weeks by using the Casanova framework. Whatever that might be, just use this formula and apply it to the problem that you're solving for someone. Now you're just gonna go back to Teachable, and as you go back, you're gonna scroll down, simply go to digital downloads and click create right over here. Now you're gonna give your product a name, so I'm just gonna copy it from the PDF document. I'm gonna paste that here. The description of the product could also be taken either from ChatGPT. Select the category. In this case, it's gonna be an ebook, so I'm gonna continue with this. In terms of the image, we are gonna go back to Canva. Just search for ebook covers, so just type in that here. You're gonna come across a bunch of different templates that you can easily customize. You can just double click on the text to make all the necessary changes, and by the way, this is just an example as to how I could potentially do it. If I want to add some elements related to the thing that I'm talking about here, then I can just search for that on the left hand side, and I can add those wherever it seems that it will be nice to fit in. So perhaps I'm gonna put that here. I can also position it back a little bit, and let's see how that's gonna look like so far. So now I'm gonna click share, I'm gonna click download as a PNG file, and then I'm gonna go back here, upload an image, click continue, one-time purchase, continue again, and just set a price. Now in this case, I'm just gonna sell it for $9, and here you just wanna add that PDF document. Once that has been uploaded, just click continue, and you're ready to go live with this one. So here's how my product looks like as of right now. Now if you don't want to sell it, there's also another option, and that is to go to app-forever.net, which is this platform where people are making money when someone just downloads their files, and you can see that they're getting paid anywhere from $1 to $3 again and again. These are people from all over the world. This does pay a lot less than if you were selling these, but it's still a viable option. You can just click on the sign up button, just enter some details about yourself and click sign up. And then as you log in, just click on upload files, and then right over here, you're just gonna drag and drop that PDF file that you've got, and then click on start the upload, and it's gonna load on the platform. Click here, and that's gonna give you your special link. If someone downloads this PDF document now, you're gonna get paid for it. So what you could effectively do right now is build a community on School, this platform where people are selling digital products. Like for example, this person is making over $100,000 a month with his online community. This person $100,000 a month, $79,000 a month, and you can see the overall monthly earnings here. Like just for July, this person made $136,000, $32,000, $31,000 in one single month with their online community. And I have a bunch of communities myself. One of the communities I have is this one that is selling for $199 a month, and we have about 365 members, so you can just do the math there. So perhaps you could just build a community where in the classroom you would just add all of those PDF guides related to one specific topic only. In this case, it would be like how to grow on YouTube. In your case, it might be how to get a six-pack. It could also be about how to grow a personal brand. Whatever it is, you just build a community with a bunch of PDF guides, and you could potentially charge like $9 a month because you're constantly going to be adding value in these like text courses every month. And this is how I do it. I mostly have video courses where I actually record those, but there are also some parts where it's just text courses like this. And lastly, I just recommend using some external platforms to get free traffic to either your school community, to this digital product that you launched, to that download link, or to your affiliate links. And that platform actually has 800 million visitors per month, and the platform in question is Pinterest.com. And I've actually done a lot of research, spent a lot of hours trying to find as many of these different accounts in different niches that I'm going to share with you for completely free, alongside with that prompt that I promised at the beginning of this video. And for example, if you go over here, you can see that this person is posting about health, and they have these faceless pins that they're posting, and they get like 10 million monthly views. And this is how their pins look like. And in these pins, they're of course promoting different links, and they're asking people to click on these links and go to their websites. So you can just build an account that is going to be in one specific niche. For example, this is my account that I just built. I can just click create right over here. I can start building pins with Canva. So you can just go over here, search for Pinterest pins, choose from all of these different frameworks and all these different templates, click on customize it, and then I can just create a pin that I can promote with Pinterest. And to make things even easier for you, I've built this free blueprint that you can follow, and it shows you like step-by-step process of launching your own Pinterest account so you can use it to get traffic and get sales. Now you're gonna find all of this for completely free inside of our free community community that will link in the description box down below. It's Online Business Friends. You're just gonna go to tools and you're gonna click on this post over here, and you're gonna find a bunch of these, including the Pinterest starter blueprint, which talks about Pinterest, but there are some other things. Like, I literally spent hundreds of dollars on some of these and I'm giving them away for free. And this also includes the ChatGPT prompts as well. But if you want to see how I personally make money online without showing face, then click on the box that's on the screen right now, because it's an absolutely free tutorial that goes in depth in this business.